As you walk up to this desirable ranch-inspired masterpiece, you'll be proud to call this home your very own. This single-story 3,300 square foot Renaissance floor plan boasts 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and plenty of comfortable living space for the entire family. As you enter this beautiful home, you'll immediately notice this home's stunning architectural details and the magnificent formal dining room and study right off the main entry. The high ceilings and hand-scraped hardwood floors showcase the remarkable quality of this home. Just past the dining room, you'll gaze upon the signature stone fireplace and formal living area, which is centered between the kitchen and the owner's suite. Right around the corner is the gourmet kitchen with its large chef's island, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, custom cabinetry, breakfast nook, and a pantry. Right off the kitchen is a large family room with stunning fireplace and back entry to a large covered patio. Escape to the owner's suite that offers a spacious private getaway that provides a private entry to the covered rear patio and a luxurious large master bath with luxurious amenities including a relaxing garden tub, separate stand-in shower, dual vanities, and dual walk-in closets. You'll be delighted at the spacious secondary bedrooms and additional bathrooms that are perfect for family and guests. Contact a First Texas home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out about building the Renaissance floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.